With over 100 years of men's grooming innovation, Gillette, then and now, let's get to shaving. Okay guys, back in 1958, Gillette introduced the 195 adjustable razor with this adjustment ring here from 1 to 9, twist to open, beautifully crafted, made in the USA. Wildly successful, and at the time it was the high-tech razor. Subsequent version was called the slim adjustable. The same adjustment collar here, the same twist to open, very similar look, just slimmer and a little bit taller, and caused its predecessor to be renamed or nicknamed the Fatboy. Now for today's shave, I'll be using this Fatboy, and I want to thank my friend and great viewer Jimmy G for sending this model to me a while back. It's beautiful. And I'm going to pit this up against Gillette's high-tech razor of today. I also want to thank Danny K for sending me the slim adjustable, which I'll be using for a shave in the near future. Thanks guys. For the shave today, I will be using the King C Gillette branded blade, which was released at some point last year. And it's got the King C Gillette logo or signature on the blade. Very nice. So in 2018, in a limited Indiegogo run, Gillette Labs produced the heated razor, the 5-bladed fusion type cartridge with a stainless steel heating bar. Also flex disc technology, 2 levels of heat in a slick, very high-tech form. Also very popular, but very pricey. This retails at about $200. And it really hasn't budged since 2019 when it went into volume production. This delivers the hot towel shaving experience with every stroke. Now for today's shave, I'll be loading up a new blade from Gillette Labs, specifically designed for the heated razor. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's get our gadget on. Let's get to shaving. All right, guys, for my pre-shave, I used one of my favorites today, the King C Gillette Beard and Face Wash. Just very nice. It's become a staple for me. For the old school side of my face today, I will be using Gillette Found Mouse. Gives you that fresh barbershop smell and feel. I think I'll go with it on this side of my face for the Fatboy shave. And for the new school shave side of the face, I'll be going for Gillette's Pure Soothing Shave Gel, free from alcohol, dyes, parabens, and sulfates. Free. And after the shave, you know how I do. We'll be bringing it home with a message from the Duke. Duke Cannon's ice cold post-shave bomb. Just a great way to bring things home. Okay, first up, age before beauty. I don't know. In this case, I think this is a beautiful shaving device. I have it dialed in on a 3, if you can see that collar there, from 1 to 9. A 3 is on the milder side. And guys, you know I've been shaving for a week now, over a week. So I need a milder shave. Let's get cooking. Gonna load up on this side of the face with one of my absolute favorites, Gillette Found Mouse. Goes with a nice old school shave. Provides a barbershop fresh smell, guys. Put it on nice and thin. And you can beef it up if you like. But I like the consistency. It's not like a marshmallow cushion like a Gillette Foamy would be. It's got a subtleness to it that really is nice and inviting for the shave. And just smells great. Hard to find them today, guys. I'll leave a link in the description box from Amazon, but you can pick them up at Kroger. Sometimes you can get them at Target. Sometimes you can get them at Walmart. But get it first pass, guys. I'm going to be using a 30-degree angle to the face, and I'm going to be gliding that blade in nice short strokes across the skin. Very, very mild at the 3 setting. Just what the doctor ordered. You have 2 sides of the blade so you can flip it. And continue. Super, super mild. Really nice and protective. And that King C Gillette blade, guys, is also on the milder side. Good for the novice shaver. Again, I'll leave links so you can pick up these products. Now the Fatboy, you'll have to dig for this. You can find it at vintage shops. You can find them on eBay. Bring your wallet, guys. For both of these products, you're gonna have to bring your wallet. Okay, pass 1 for the Gillette Fatboy is in the books. Beautiful, mild shave, guys. Really, really cool. It'll allow me to do an additional pass, even though I've been shaving every day. Now let's get to the heated razor and see what that brings to the table. Okay, after steaming up with near hot water, it's time to add the Gillette Pure, which is a nice gel, guys. Lathers up nice. Smells good. Again, on the lighter consistency, so you're not fighting a lot of cushion to get to the whiskers. Very nice as well. Hard to find the cans. I'll leave a link below. I believe there's a kit on Amazon that has that can and the Skin Guard blade, which is a nice blade or cartridge to try from Gillette. It's the only way I've been able to find the can. All right, Gillette's new tech, guys. 5 blades of fun, pivoting head. You've got your heated stainless bar here that provides that warm stroke of heat with every pass. You've got a lubrication strip up top, rubber guide, the bumpers, and on the back, you've got a precision trimmer. To get this going, you click, you let that blink until it's solid, and it's ready to go. There's nothing like it. Just warm heat with each stroke. It's been a while since I've used this. It's a unique, there's nothing like it available on the market, guys. And it's a luxury buy. If you're a gadget man, if you're a gadget woman, because I'm telling you, if your woman tries this, guys, you ain't gonna get it back. You ain't gonna get it back. It's wonderful. Wonderful. Makes you want to shave. Pass 2 in the books. In the books. Gillette Tech. This Gillette Tech is making me want to do 3 passes today. I'm going to do that. Next pass is going to be the cross grain pass. So I'm going to go old school, go back to the Fatboy for the cross grain cut. Some more Gillette Found Mouse. Day 9. And both of these razors are just so delightful. So mild. With the setting on 3 for the Fatboy. I'm going to get away with 3 passes today. Here we go. We're going to do a longer stroke, cross grain, guys. Oh, yeah. You hear the feedback? Light strokes. A little longer on the broad part of my face. And around the sensitive bits, I get shorter with the strokes. Just my method. You do, you boo. Do what works for you. Again, 2 sides of a double-edged blade. Use them. What I'm doing now, since this is metal, I'm putting warm water or rinsing with warm water, that's giving me that warm feel as well, that hot towel experience. Wears off, but it is effective as well. Very, very nice, guys. No irritation, no nicks, no tugs, no pulls. Pass 2 is in the books. All right, third and final pass. Again, I've added some warm, near hot water, and I'm gonna go back to this Gillette Pure gel for our third and final pass today with the heated razor from Gillette. The heated razor. Feel the heat, guys. Again, I'm loving both of these lathers, one a gel, one a foam. Both very, very nice. Get them if you can get them. Again, links below for all of the products I'm showing here today, except for the Fatboy. And I want to thank Jimmy G again for sending me the Fatboy. You're a good man, Jimmy G. Okay, guys, third and final pass. Again, we want to activate the heat. Now, once it gets solid, this line goes solid, you're hot. Now, the orange color here indicates you're on the highest setting. If you wanted to bring it down, I don't know why you would hold this until it goes yellow, and that is the lower setting. But I'm going back to full heat, and let's get cracking. Now we're gonna do an against the grain pass. I'll start on the neck. Oh yeah, heavenly. Light strokes, guys. You wanna use the heft of the device. Oh yeah. And just take your time, enjoy it. Nice, soothing heat with each stroke. No nicks, no tugs, no pulls, no weepers. Just beautiful feedback. Three passes today. Now the form factor is rather slim. So you can get up into the nooks and crannies and attend to all those sensitive bits. The precision trimmer you could use to clean up your sideburns and get to the nooks and crannies if you want. I had a problem yesterday, so I'm gonna avoid it today. But there you go, guys. A nice, smooth, beautiful, high-tech shave, new and old. Take your pick, guys. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse off with cold water. So I'll pat the skin dry, guys. Message from the Duke. Just a little bit will do. Oh yeah. Ice cold. Beautiful, guys. Feeling good, looking good, smelling good. Guys, I want to thank you for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Day 10 of 10. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like me to shave with, and I just may use it. You still have time. I'll see you tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Play the music.